Welcome, dear friends. I hope you are doing great. How to solve this complex fraction? It is a little challenging and tricky. 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3, and it is denominator continue or repeated infinitely. It's repeated unlimitedly. How you can solve this type of fraction? It is a little challenging and tricky. So let's start it and solve this fraction. How we can solve this fraction? We can first here write this fraction is equal to x. X is a variable or unknown. We don't know how much the price or value this fraction. And we repeat here 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3 over 2 plus 3, and it is the denominator continue up to infinite. We don't know how much the value or the price of this fraction. We make equal to a variable or unknown, for example, like x. Then because the denominator of this fraction repeated infinite, and when we ignore one of them, there is no difference with the origin because it is repeated infinitely or unlimitedly. So we take the result that the denominator is also x here. Then we can write here 2 plus 3 over x equal to x. Now we multiply both sides of the equation by x, and we can write here 2 times of x plus x multiplied by 3 over x equal to x multiplied by x. Then here we can write 2x plus, we simplified x by x and remain it's here 3 equal to x square. Then we can write here x square equal to 2x plus 3. Then we subtract both sides by minus 3x. Here also minus 2x and minus 3. In the left side here remain x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to, here is simplified this one by this one and remain 0. It takes the form of quadratic equation, and we have many solution way for the quadratic equation. The best way is factorization. We find two numbers to multiply, give 3 and subtract 2 here. 1 multiplied by 3 equal to 3, subtract by 1 give us 2. I explain later here, as you know that the form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. When you want to solve this type of quadratic equation by factorization, you find two numbers, multiply give us c, and when the sign of the c here is minus, should subtract give us b, for example f minus n. Then you can of course in this method the a should be equal to 1. This is the condition. Then you factorize x minus m and x plus n equal to 0. The sign of large one agree with the b, and the sign of smaller is the opposite of b. So here is the same as this type of quadratic equation. Now we can use this method, and we can write here x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 1 equal to 0. Then we put equal to 0 every one of the factor. X minus 3 equal to 0, so the value of x1 is 3 and the same x plus 1 equal to 0 and x2 is equal to minus 1. Now we evaluate which one is acceptable or the answer of this fraction. We have two values. One is 3 and the other is minus 1. Here we evaluate. So when the value of this fraction is 3, it's acceptable, because when the denominator of this fraction is 3 simplified by 3, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. And also if you simplified the other, for example, you put the value of this part 3 simplified by 3, 1 plus 2, 3, then 3 simplified by 3, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3 is acceptable. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you for watching, dear friend.